Hello, scholars, and welcome again to Applying Philosophy to Modern Global Issues. I enjoyed meeting with you over the last couple of weeks. You're a terrific group full of curiosity, enthusiasm, and a certain daring for being willing to participate in an online course. I like that. You'll have fun learning together and getting to know one another over the course of this semester. The course is roughly divided in two. In its first half, you'll be getting a crash course in the foundations of moral and political philosophy. We'll move quickly from the classical philosophers Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle in Module 1 to the political philosophers and economists whose ideas underpin our conceptions of conservative, classical liberal, radical liberal, and socialist ideologies in Module 2. In Module 3, we focus on the ideas which shook the modern world during the late 19th century when we consider the thinking of Darwin, Marx, Freud, and Nietzsche. In Module 4, we will look at the post-World War II founding of the United Nations and apply what we have learned to an analysis of the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In the second half of the course, we will turn our attention to the contemporary world and consider global problems associated with inequality, which, in the opinion of some thinkers, deny individuals the fundamental moral right to dignity. We will evaluate the situations of impoverished citizens in two of the greatest democracies on earth, India and the United States. In the last weeks of the course, you'll follow the amazing career of UN diplomat Sergio Vieira de Mello, who traveled to hotspots around the world seeking to save refugees from conflict. Finally, you'll choose a topic for a project which explores how you can help resolve conflicts, perhaps in your own hometown, using the principles and methods we have studied. This week, we will launch into this epic adventure appropriately by considering the founding ideas of Western philosophy in the works of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. As you work through the lessons within Module 1, you'll encounter three headings which will structure our approach to the course materials every week. At the outset of the unit, you'll see the heading Learn It. Here you will find readings and videos which will launch discussions of key ideas. Next, you'll see Look In. Each week we'll turn our gaze inward to explore and discuss the ways that philosophy prompts us to examine our own moral lives. Working together to find paths to personal change may give us insight into the means of conflict resolution we will need when we look out at the modern world and consider the problems which face us globally. You'll see that there are 4 graded discussions this week. As I explained to you when we Skyped, there are no quizzes or big tests or papers in this course. Instead, you're going to be graded on the enthusiasm and energy you bring to our collaborative discussions, our group projects, and our presentations. During this first week, I urge you to video all of your responses to the discussions. The more we get to actually see you and hear you, the better we'll get to know you. To get started, let's play a game. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a discussion prompt right above the rich content editor. All you need to do is to record a video is click the video button and start talking. Don't worry too much if you make mistakes like I do or flub up like I do. That's okay. Just throw yourself into it and have fun. As always, if you have questions, feel free to email me or better yet to Skype. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.